All right, what's going on? So maybe you're a volunteer fireman, maybe you provide private security, or you've got a tow lot, or whatever reason. You go to car meets and you want to get people's attention. These are these little windshield LED lights. You can tell the way they're for the windshield is based on this little angle here. It comes with a bunch of these suction cups. It even comes with a few extra. It even comes with some of these little sticky pads. And what you can do is place these inside the suction cup. That way, if you have a dirty windshield, whatever, the suction fails, it'll still hold it in place. The angle of this bracket changes so that you can make sure that it meets the angle in the windshield. It also comes with a simple cigarette lighter style plug with a switch on it to turn it on and off. And then there's a little master control panel, okay? And this comes with a little sticky bracket, and you can put this somewhere and you can change the pattern. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to go ahead and show you in the light how this would go in, okay? And then we will come back in the evening and show you how bright they are. So we're just gonna stick this to the windshield like that. We're gonna change that angle, and then we're gonna tuck these down to hide it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one up, okay? And then you can route these wires, hide them behind there, bring them down the side, give you, as you can see, enough for you to be able to work with it. I'm gonna plug it in and I'll show you this. So when you see that it's on and you've got this, now you can go ahead and change your patterns. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and come back when it's dark, and I will show you how these lights look. All right, we're gonna turn the switch on where the cigarette lighter part goes in. Now we get power to the control panel. You can see it's doing a little scroll to the right, and we're gonna just go ahead and run through the buttons. As you can see, this gives you a solid. This does a little right flash pattern, a little left flash pattern. This sort of says go around on both sides, go around on the right. And if you go to the pattern, the custom one, you can then like choose what you want to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and go backwards, and you can see the lights while we scroll through them. See that with just the basic running lights, but see how bright those are. A good bit of flash, and there's the strobe to the right, strobe to the left. I am pretty far away, and it is definitely nice and bright. It's going to be able to obviously get attention. So definitely cool, easy to set up, easy to hook up, and that's it.